adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Inverse நம்ம already matricesலயே கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம், எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னு பார்த்திருக்கோம். இந்த இடத்துல determinant யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி inverse கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Okay, so first of all, what is adjoint of a matrix? Adjoint னா என்ன? You have your matrix which is all small letters. So A11, A12, A13, in the mari and so on, you have a 3 by 3 matrix. Now, the cofactors of this particular matrix are going to be capital A11, capital A12, capital A13. In the mari எழுதுறோமா? Cofactor matrix நம்ம எழுதுனோமா? போன questionsலலாம். So that is going to be your cofactor matrix. அதோட transpose. When you take the transpose of that, the row becomes the column. Row becomes the column and row becomes the column. So this transpose of the cofactor matrix is called the adjoint matrix. Okay, so adjoint na transpose of cofactor matrix. Okay, so இப்படிதான் நம்ம adjoint matrix கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Let's solve an example. இப்போ find the adjoint for A. So first of all, I need to find the cofactor matrix. Cofactor கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? Minor வேணும். Minor கண்டுபிடிச்சாதான் cofactor கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். So இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம படிச்சது எல்லாத்தையும் அப்ளை பண்ண போறோம். So first of all, M11 is going to be 4. M12 is going to be, when I erase this, M12 is going to be 1. Then M21 is going to be, when I hide this, it is going to be 3. Then M22 is going to be படிப்படியாவே பண்ணலாம். இதில் அவசரப்படுறதுக்கு அவசியமே இல்லை, படிப்படியா பண்ணலாம். So this is going to be 2. So I found out the minus. இப்போ cofactor. So A11 is going to be minus 1 to the power 2 times 4, which is going to be 4. Then A12 is going to be minus 1 cube times 1, which is minus 1. Then A21 is going to be minus 1 to the power 3 times 3, which is going to be minus 3. Then A22 is going to be basically minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. அததான் நான் 4, 3 னா எழுதிட்டு இருக்கேன். Okay, times 2, which is going to be 2. இப்போ A11 capital A எல்லாமே கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. What is the cofactor matrix? Cofactor matrix is going to be 4, 1, minus 3, 2. So this is the cofactor. இப்போ adjoint என்ன? Adjoint A is going to be the transpose of this. So first row becomes the first column. Okay, and the second row becomes the second column. So I have minus 3, 2. அவ்வளவுதான். This is the adjoint of A. You have to find the minor, then cofactors, அப்புறம் cofactor matrix, அப்புறம் adjoint. Okay, simple. Minus 1. Okay, minus விட்டுறாதீங்க. Please copy. Now, next definition. A square matrix A is said to be singular if determinant is 0. Singular na என்ன அர்த்தம்? Determinant 0. Determinant 0-வா இருந்ததுன்னா it is a singular matrix. Non-singular na என்ன? Determinant is not equal to 0. Okay, simple. If A and B are non-singular matrices, அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Determinant 0 கிடையாது. Then AB and BA are also non-singular matrix. அதோட ப்ராடக்ட்டுமே non-singular. Determinant 0-வா வராது. Determinant A-வும் B-யும் 0-வா இல்லாம இருந்ததுன்னா the product is also going to be a non-singular. Determinant 0-வா வரப்போறதில்ல. Next theorem is going to be determinant of the product of matrices is equal to the respective determinant. Determinant of AB is going to be determinant A times determinant B. இது எல்லாமே square matrix இருக்கணும், same order இருக்கணும், இல்லாட்டி வராது. Okay, and A is a square matrix of order n. Order na என்ன அர்த்தம்? எத்தனை number of elements இருக்கு? 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 1 by 1 and all that. So that is going to be the order. Adjoint of A, அதோட determinant of adjoint of A is going to be determinant of A to the power n minus 1. இதெல்லாம் வந்து 1 mark questionல இந்த formulaவை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Okay, so please remember this formula. Determinant of adjoint of A is going to be determinant of A to the power n minus 1, where n is the order of the matrix. 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 2 by 1, இதுதான் order. Okay, now inverse of a matrix. இவ்வளோ நேரம் நம்ம adjoint என்னன்னு பார்த்தாச்சு, determinant என்னன்னு பார்த்தாச்சு. இது ரெண்டுத்தையுமே யூஸ் பண்ணி inverse கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். எப்படி? Inverse of a matrix is going to be 1 by determinant of A times adjoint A. அவ்வளவுதான். You have to find the determinant, find the reciprocal, அப்புறம் adjoint A என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, பண்ணலாமா? So let us solve. You have, if A equals this, then verify that at A times adjoint A equals determinant A times I. Also find A inverse. Okay, so first A கொடுத்திருக்கான், adjoint A என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிப்போம். So adjoint A க்கு என்ன வேணும்? First minus வேணும். So I need to find out M11. M11 na determinant of 4, 3, 3, 4, which is going to be 4 4s are 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is going to be 7. Okay, then M12. M12 எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? It's going to be this. இதே ஸ்டெப்ஸ் தான் பண்ணணும். எக்ஸாம்லயும் சேம் ஸ்டெப்ஸ். மைண்ட்லயே நான் போடுறேன், மன கால்குலேஷன் போடுறேன்லாம் பண்ணாதீங்க. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டெப்பா எழுதுங்க. ஓகே, அப்பதான் தப்பு இல்லாம ஃபாஸ்டா போடலாம். So this is going to be 4 minus 3, which is 1. Then M13 is going to be M13 na hide the first row and the last column. So I have 1, 4, 1, 3. So this is going to be 3 minus 4, which is minus 1. Then M21 is going to be, hide this. So 3, 3, 3, 4. கையில ஒரு பென்சில் வச்சுக்கோங்க எக்ஸாம்ல. அந்த ரோவை ஹைட் பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. ஓகே, இல்லாட்டி கையிலேயே மறைச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒரு விரலால இப்படியும் மறைச்சிட்டா it will be easy. Okay, 4 3s are 12 minus 9, which is going to be 3. Then M22. M22 is going to be, I'm going to hide the first and nadu column and the nadu row. So I have 1, 3, 1, 4. So this is going to be 4 minus 3, which is 1. Then M23. M23 enna? Hiding the last column and the nadu row. So I have 1, 3, 1, 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Then M31. M31 is going to be hiding this 3, 3, 4, 3. 3, 3, 4, 3. So this is going to be 3 3s are 9 minus 12, which is minus 3. Then M32. M32 enna? M32 is going to be hiding this 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, which is 0. Then M33 is going to be the last element, which is going to be the height panna 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 3, 1, 4. So I have 4 minus 3, which is going to be 1. Okay, இப்போ cofactors. So A11 is going to be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 times 7, which is going to be 7. Then A12 is going to be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 times 1, which is minus 1. Then A13 is going to be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into minus 1, which is minus 1. A21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 times 3. So this is going to be minus 3. Okay, signs மட்டும் carefully பார்த்து போடுங்க. A22 is going to be minus 1 to the power 4 times 1, which is 1. A23 equals minus 1 to the power 5 times 0, which is 0. Then A31 is going to be minus 1 to the power 4 times minus 3, which is minus 3. Then A32 is minus 1 to the power எல்லாம் நான் ஆட் பண்றேன் 5 times 0, which is 0. Then A33 is going to be minus 1 to the power 6 times 1, which is 1. இப்போ cofactor matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Cofactor matrix of A is going to be matrix 7 minus 1 minus 1. இது வந்து first row elements. So 7 minus 1 minus 1. இது first row. Then second row is going to be minus 3 1 0. Minus 3 1 0. Third row elements minus 3 0 1. Minus 3 0 1. இது cofactor. இப்போ adjoint எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Adjoint A is going to be the transpose of this. What is the transpose of this? 7 minus 1 minus 1. Transposeலாம் நிறைய படிச்சாச்சு. Okay? Minus 3 1 0. Minus 3 0 1. Found out the cofactor matrix and the adjoint A. இப்போ questionல என்ன கேக்குறாங்க? Verify that A times adjoint A. இப்போ A times adjoint A என்ன? What is my A matrix? 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. So this is A times adjoint A. Adjoint A என்ன வந்தது? 7 minus 3 minus 3. 7 minus 3 minus 3. Minus 1 1 0. Minus 1 1 0. Minus 1 0 1. Minus 1 0 1. So இதோட product என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So let me find the product of this. So matrix multiplication ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. So I'm going to get a 3 by 3 matrix. So I have to first concentrate on the first row and the first column. இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? So it is going to be 7 into 1. 7 minus 3 minus 3. Then first row, second column. So I have minus 3 plus 3 plus 0. Then first row, last column. So I have minus 3 plus 0 plus 3. Now second row, second column. Yeah? So let me erase this. So I have second row, first column. So this is going to be 7 minus 4 minus 3. Then second row, second column. So this is going to be minus 3 plus 4 plus 0 minus 3 plus 0 plus 3. Then when I erase this, I'm going to focus on the last row. So last row, first column. So 7 ones are 7 minus 3 minus 4. Then next column minus 3 plus 3 plus 0. Then last row, last column minus 3 plus 0 plus 4. Okay. So either panna enna varum? I'll have 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So I'm basically getting an identity matrix. Okay. So identity matrix kandupidichachu. So this is my LHS. So LHS equals identity matrix. இப்போ RHS ல என்ன கேக்குறான்? I have to find the determinant of A. So next determinant of A, this is a very long question but it's very easy. இப்போ determinant of A என்ன? First what is A? 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. Okay, so இதோட determinant கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா I'm going to do it along the row 1. So this is going to be minus 1 to the power, இங்க என்ன element இருக்கு? A11 A21 A31. correct? So this is going to be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 1 into 4 3 3 4. correct? Then plus minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, determinant is going to be 3 3 3 4. Then plus 1 times last row na 3 3 4 3. புரிஞ்சுதா? determinant எப்படி எடுக்கணும் இவ்வளவு நேரம் நம்ம பார்த்தாச்சு. so இதெல்லாம் தெரியணும். so this is going to be 4 4s are 16 minus 9, then minus 3 4s are 12 minus 9 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 12. so this is going to be 16 minus 9 is 7 minus 12 minus 9 is going to be 3, then 9 minus 12 is again going to be 3. so this is going to be 1 again. so 1 times the identity matrix. 1 times this is determinant A. இப்போ right hand side ல என்ன இருக்கு? determinant of A times I. so determinant of A times I is going to be identity matrix which is going to be RHS. so we have proved that LHS equals RHS. okay, இது prove பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ next என்ன கேக்குறாங்க? also find A inverse. இதெல்லாம் 4 மார்க் questionல last subsectionல கேட்பாங்க, இல்லாட்டி இவ்ளோ லாங்கா கேட்க மாட்டாங்க. okay, you will have subsections and you will have accordingly marks. okay, இப்போ A inverse என்னது? what formula did we see? A inverse equals 1 by determinant A times adjoint A. correct? இப்போ 1 by determinant A என்ன வந்தது? the determinant is going to be 1. so I have 1 by 1 times adjoint A. adjoint A matrix என்ன? 7 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. so A inverse is going to be 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. அவ்வளவுதான். this is the A inverse. okay, very very simple. elementary method எல்லாம் solve பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணி solve பண்ணாம you can directly solve A inverse using 1 by determinant A times adjoint A. okay, அதுக்கு first என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? minus கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு cofactor matrix, cofactor கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு adjoint matrix which is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. அதுக்கப்புறம் determinant A கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், then find the A inverse. okay, simple. please copy. next example, AB கொடுத்திருக்கு, then verify that AB inverse is B inverse A inverse. so let me find out AB first. so I have AB equals, let me multiply 2 3 1 minus 4 times 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. question careful எழுதுங்க. okay, so first row and first column. so I have 2 ones are 2 minus 3, then first row second column. so minus 4 plus 9, then 1 plus 4, 1 minus of minus 4. yeah? so 1 plus 4, then 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 minus 12. okay, so this is going to be minus 1 5 5 minus 14. so AB கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. now AB inverse is going to be 1 by determinant AB times adjoint of AB. yeah? so let me find out determinant AB. so determinant AB is going to be minus 1 5 5 minus 14. determinant is going to be 14 minus 25. so this is going to be minus 11. yeah? determinant is minus 11. இப்போ adjoint எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? I need to find out the minus first. minus cofactors, cofactor matrix, அப்புறம் transpose of cofactor matrix which is the adjoint matrix. okay, so இப்போ adjoint என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? let me write the matrix. 1 minus 1 5 5 minus 14. so I have M11 equals minus 14, M12 equals 5, M21 na I can hide this and I'm going to have 5 again, then M22 equals minus 1. okay, now A11 equals minus 1 to the power 2 times minus 14 which is minus 14, then A12 equals minus 1 to the power 3 times 5 which is minus 5, then A21 equals minus 1 to the power 3 times 5 which is going to be minus 5 again, then A22 equals minus 1 to the power 4 minus 1 which is minus 1. இப்போ cofactor matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? cofactor matrix of AB is going to be minus 14 minus 5 minus 5 minus 1. first எப்பவுமே row எழுதுங்க. write the row and then write the second row. அப்பதான் நம்ம next transpose எழுத போறோம் இல்லையா? so adjoint of AB is going to be the transpose. so the row becomes the first column. so I have minus 14 minus 5, then the next row becomes the next column. so I have minus 5 minus 1. okay, so this is the adjoint. இப்போ AB inverse கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? AB inverse is going to be 1 by determinant AB times adjoint AB. So 1 by determinant AB என்ன வந்தது? Determinant is going to be minus 11. It is over here. So minus 11 is the determinant. Determinant the absolute value லாம் கிடையாது. So negatively வரலாம். Times adjoint, which is minus 14, minus 5, minus 5, minus 1. So this is going to be 14 by 11, 5 by 11, 5 by 11, 1 by 11. So we have found out AB inverse. இப்போ LHS கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. RHS கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? I need to find out B inverse and A inverse. Okay? So first B என்ன? B is going to be 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3. Now B inverse equals 1 by determinant of B times adjoint B. இப்போ determinant B என்ன? Determinant B is 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3. It's going to be 3 minus 2 ones are 2, which is going to be 1. So determinant of B is 1. இப்போ adjoint B கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So minor M11 equals 3. M12 equals minus 1. M21 equals, புரியுதா? M21 na I am going to hide these two. So I have minus 2 and M22 equals 1. Okay, I am going to hide this. M22 na I will hide this. So I have 1. Okay, இப்போ cofactors. A11 equals minus 1 to the power 2 into 3, which is 3. Then A12 is minus 1 to the power 3 times minus 1, which is plus 1. Minus minus plus ஆயிடும். Then A21 equals minus 1 to the power 3 times minus 2. Again, minus minus plus ஆயிடும். So plus 2. Then A22 is going to be minus 1 to the power 4 times 1, which is going to be 1. So இப்போ cofactor matrix of B. இல்லையா? இவ்வளவு நேரம் நம்ம B எழுதிட்டு இருக்கோம். Cofactor matrix of B is going to be 3, 1, 2, 1. So what is the adjoint of B? First cofactor row எழுதினோம். அப்புறம் adjoint எப்படி எழுதணும்? Column எழுதணும். So the first row becomes the first column. So I have 3, 1, 2, 1. So adjoint B யும் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. The inverse of B, B inverse is going to be adjoint B. ஏன்னா determinant என்ன? It is going to be 1. So B inverse is going to be adjoint B itself. So B inverse is adjoint of B, which is, we just found out, 3, 2, 1, 1. 3, 2, 1, 1. இப்போ next A. What is your A? A is going to be 2, 3, 1, minus 4. Again, A inverse equals 1 by determinant of A times adjoint A. இப்போ determinant of A என்ன? Determinant is going to be 4 2s are minus 8, minus 3, which is minus 11. Determinant of A is minus 11. இப்போ adjoint கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? Adjoint of A na M11 is going to be minus 4. M12 is going to be 1. M21 is going to be 2, 1 na 3. M22 is going to be 2. Similarly, A11 is going to be minus 1 to the power 2 into minus 4, which is minus 4. A12 equals minus 1 to the power 3, 1, which is minus 1. A21 equals minus 1 to the power 3 times 3, which is minus 3. இதெல்லாம் என் கூடயே போட்டா கடகடன் போடலாம். Solve as many questions as possible. A22 is minus 1 to the power 4 times 2, which is going to be 2. இப்போ cofactor matrix எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Cofactor of A is going to be minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, 2. So adjoint of A எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? First write the cofactor. Direct அப்படியே எழுதிட்டே வரணும். So adjoint is going to be, row becomes the column. So I have minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, 2. So this is adjoint of A. இப்போ A inverse என்ன? A inverse is going to be 1 by determinant. So minus 11 times minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, 2. Okay. So இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? I have to find out B inverse into A inverse. So B inverse into A inverse பண்ணலாமா? So B inverse into A inverse is going to be, B என்ன? 3, 2, 1, 1. So I have 3, 2, 1, 1 times 1 by minus 11 times minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2. So இதில நான் 1 by minus 11 வெளியில வச்சுக்க போறேன். I'm going to multiply this first. So 3, 1, 1, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2. I'm just changing the order. Okay. Multiplication you should not change B inverse, A inverse order. ஆனா இந்த constants எல்லாம் வெளியில எடுக்கலாம். So I'm taking the constant outside. So minus 1 by 11 வெளியில வச்சுக்கிறேன். And I multiply, I have my 1 by minus 11 times first row, first column. So I have 4 3s are 12. So minus 12, minus 2. Then next 3 3s are minus 9 plus 4. Second row, minus 4, minus 1. Second row, second column. So minus 3 plus 2. So final என்ன இருக்கு? I have minus 1 divided by 11. Inside the bracket, I have minus 14, minus 5, minus 5, minus 1. இப்போ இந்த minus 1 by 11 உள்ள multiply பண்ணா what will I have? I have 14 by 11, 5 by 11, 5 by 11, 1 by 11. So this is going to be B inverse, A inverse. So this is RHS. So we've proved that LHS equals RHS. LHS எங்க இருக்கு? இங்க இருக்கு. LHS equals RHS. So this is my RHS. Okay? Please copy. ஒன்னும் இல்ல, matrix multiplication தான். Inverse எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? First minus, cofactor, cofactor matrix, adjoint matrix, adjointல இருந்து A inverse. 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. இவ்வளவுதான் formula. Okay? Please copy. Now, next example. Show that the matrix A satisfies the equation A square minus 4A plus I equals 0. So, that's first A square கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So, what is A square? A into A, which is 2, 3, 1, 2. Matrix multiplication la நமக்கு ரொம்ப easy. 2, 3, 1, 2. So, first row, first column. So, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. Then 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4. Okay. So, this is going to be 4 plus 3, 7, 12, 4, 7. So, A square கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. A square minus 4A plus I. So, I have A square 7, 12, 4, 7. A square minus 4 into A, which is 2, 3, 1, 2 plus I. So, 1, 0, 0, 1 equals 0 matrix and check பண்ணணும். So, I'm going to have 7, 12, 4, 7 minus 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 0, 0, 1. 0 matrix எப்படி இருக்க போது? It is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Now, when I subtract, I have 7 minus 8 plus 1, 12 minus 12 minus 0, sorry, plus 0. Then 4 minus 4 plus 0, 7 minus 8 plus 1 equals 0, 0, 0, 0. So, this is going to be 0, 0, 0 and 0. So, it is a 0 matrix. So, hence proved. இப்போ first prove பண்ணியாச்சு. Next என்ன கேக்குறாங்க? Using the equation find A inverse. So, இதிலேந்து A inverse எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? I have A square minus 4A plus I equals a 0 matrix. இப்போ how do you find the inverse? இப்போ equationல A inverse வேணும். So, I'm going to multiply the whole equation by A inverse. So, I have A square times A inverse minus 4A into A inverse plus I times A inverse equals a 0 matrix. Okay. So, what do I have now? I have A times A inverse minus 4 times. What is A times A inverse? A into A inverse na anartham. It is going to be A into 1 by A. So, this is going to be an identity matrix. Okay. So, A times A inverse is an identity matrix. And if I times any matrix is going to be the matrix itself. So, this is going to be 0. Okay. If next in the A times A inverse irukku. So, I have A into I minus 4I plus A inverse equals 0. So, A inverse inge vechikta. I'm going to take the remaining terms to the other side. So, I have A minus A plus 4. Identity matrix plus 4I. So, A times I plus 4I. AI is nothing but A. Ilya? So, this is simply going to be A. When it goes to the other side, I have 4I minus A. So, A inverse is going to be 4I minus A. So, இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So, I have A inverse is going to be 4 times 1, 0, 0, 1. minus A matrix என்னது 2 3 1 2. புரிஞ்சுதா? கொடுத்திருக்கிற ஈக்குவேஷன்ல இருந்து எப்படி A inverse கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுன்னு தெரியணும். இல்லாட்டி you have to find 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. அதுக்கு மைனஸ் கோஃபேக்டர்ஸ்ல கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அது இல்லாம இந்த மாதிரி you can use the equation. So 4 0 0 4 minus 2 3 1 2. So when I subtract, I have 4 minus 2 2, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 2 2. Okay? So this is the A inverse. Okay? Please copy. So with this we are done with the example questions. Let's move on to exercise questions. That is the last of this chapter. Okay.